side, and today I'm in Halong Bay, North Vietnam. What I would say to you is, if you dream of coming here as I have, the best way to do it is to come through to Cat Bar Island. It's actually part of Halong Bay, and it's the gateway to Halong Bay. It's the more affordable alternative. If you come out a season like this, you've got the place almost to yourself. It's a fantastic opportunity, and we really have enjoyed our day here and our week on Cat Bar exploring Halong Bay. Halong Bay is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and in this bay there are 1,969 islands, and they're all this limestone, and incredible to see. It's a film set. They've actually made the King Kong movie, the latest one here, and we've been wanting to come here for many years just to see these incredible sights and sail on the bay.